In my feels. I mean, I woke up at a actually decent time. Yeah, I was tired, uh, hungover, but I got to see the sun more than some days. Yeah, I'm not gonna look into here. I'm gonna look here. Deal with it. I wanna be the very best, like no one ever was. To catch them is my real test. To train them is my cause. I will travel across the land, searching far and wide. Each Pokemon to understand the power that's inside. Pokemon, gotta catch them all. I know it's my destiny. Pokemon, oh, you're my best friend in a world we must defend. Pokemon, my heart's so true. The courage will pull us through. You teach me and I'll teach you. Pokemon, gotta catch 'em all. Gotta catch 'em all. Pokemon. Remember when we weren't allowed to watch that? It's like the least demonic thing. One of the least demonic things out of Japan. Now everything's like, oh, occultic club. We're into the occult. Brick. Oh, but Jesus is indoctrinating you. Jesus is lame. Christians are brainwashed. They're trying to brainwash you, force their religion on you. It sucks. Life is just. It would be good if the world wasn't so shitty. Literally, the world is just so shitty. Just so incredibly shitty. Like, I can't even. Like, so many things. So many things. If I start naming them, I'll just I'll get distracted and rant about one thing. And I don't want to do that cuz knowing about it is already kind of a burden. And it perpetuates bad habits in me, which then that's giving in to what the bad people want, especially from me. I am one of the rarest. I am probably the rarest person to ever exist. I'm a white woman, Christian, virgin, a gay. And I'm not a freaking hypocrite. So, most of the time. There are areas I need improvement on. So, humility, stay humble. Yeah. Ought to stay humble. Not in the way you might think. Self-deprecating isn't humility, isn't humbleness. It's not. That's where a lot of people get confused. I just saying Pokemon because I want to be the best. Like, I want to be the best. I want to be the best, but the problem is, you know what? I'm done. I'm done, like, being sad about things I can't control, about my past. So. In about 20 minutes, I'm gonna change into leggings and a sports bra, and I'm just gonna move around a bit, whether that's just cleaning or jump rope or learning to dance, a little bit of a dance practice. Probably all of it. Let's just say for an hour. 1 hour, Lauren. 1 hour of movement. You can do it. You can do it. 1 hour of no laying in bed. 1 hour of no not being on your phone. So we'll film for another 3 minutes or so. Bang bang. My mouth is dry. Yesterday, I did over 100 jump ropes. This time we'll do 100. Another 100. It really worked my calves. So. I can't tell you everything. I can't. Because sometimes talking about it makes it worse. But it has to do with me and the problem I have. Alcohol, okay? And I'm worried about my health. Could just be mental. Could just all be in my head. But if I keep it up, it won't be, you know? I'm playing with fire. But it is affecting me now. It's affecting my sleep. And I don't appreciate it. And it's affecting my brain chemistry. I know it's hard. It's like addiction is the worst. It's the worst. I was watching some videos on it, on addiction. For some reason, don't want to say it, you know. But I was watching some videos on it, TikToks, and someone said it only takes 3 to 4 weeks of like drinking consistently to become addicted. So several years of this habit. Yeah. yeah, several years. Years. And then I saw some comments saying that, well, one video was like, don't do it cold turkey. But, which I have issues with. But one of the comments said that they quit, so they could. I have the issue with not quitting cold turkey. And one of the comments said that they quit cold turkey and it was the best thing for them. They did it. They feel great now. It's been several days or weeks or whatever. Months, even. It's been several months. I think they said October, yeah. They stopped cold turkey. And I have issues with stopping cold turkey. Because I've tried slowly weaning it off. I've tried. Here's the thing. It's the mindset. It's the mindset of like, I'm gonna stop this soon. So, because like I said, I didn't want this to be too long, and I didn't want to go off on a rant or whatever. So what was I gonna say? I forgot where I was. I think that's the alcohol burning. It's honestly messing with my memory, I think. I have short-term memory loss a little bit. What was I gonna say? I was just basically gonna talk about the mindset, but I don't feel like talking about it, honestly. So, but it just doesn't work for me. And the Holy Spirit, I'm pretty sure. Well, okay. No, the Holy Spirit did give me this. It feels more rewarding to give the Holy Spirit credit than it does to like take the credit, you know? I gotta make a TikTok about that, but and I thought this was genius. Okay, here's what he told me. It's more dangerous to start a drink than to finish a drink. Right? Sometimes it'd be like, oh, I'll just have half a drink. I'll just have one drink tonight. But then that turns into, well, I've already had one drink, so I might as well have a second one since I failed at, you know? It's like I convinced myself unwillingly to have another sip, to have another drink. So if I just push through the evening and not have any, first of all, that's better for my body. And, yeah. But when I sometimes stop for several days, I'm like, I get confident, but then the next day is like hard. It's like, oh boy, it's hard, and then I'm like, I took a break for several days. I can have a drink, you know? It's like so many, there's like a million things fighting against me in my head. Against stopping this bad habit. It gets exhausting battling all these thoughts, all these things. Feels like it's never gonna end. It's never gonna get easier. But I won't say what yet, but I did something different recently in an effort to kick this off. So we'll see how that goes.